Hi guys. Actually, I was going to market and suddenly I felt that my car is not moving properly. I stopped the car and saw that the tire was flat. You can see the tire got flat, guys. So since the tire is flat, so I need to change the tire. And I'm telling you guys what exactly happened. Cameraman, please come close. The thing is that, am I visible? Okay. The thing is that I bought this car in 2010, and ever since then, this flat tire situation occurred 3 times. And first time my student was with me, he helped me. Second time my nephew was there with me, he helped me. And this is the third time, no one is there, I have to handle it by myself. So, okay, let me try. Literally, I'm telling you, I never tried changing the flat tire, but today I have to do this, guys. I'm bound to do. So, first of all, let me shift into first gear so that the car should not move. Okay, and this handbrake is also raised up. Now I am getting out of the car, and let's get started. And here I have already taken out the jack. Akshat, could you please come here, baby? Come here. Come here. Okay. Take the jack and put it there. Put it there. There.
Here.
No. There, near the flat tire. Okay. And this is the wrench. And I think this is the jack handle, Dad. Jack handle. Okay. And this is my spare tire, which is called Stepney. Okay. And one day it had also got punctured, guys. Come on, cameraman, come here. Okay, could you please move? See, you can see here. Look at this. Cameraman, come close. Okay. Second time when this tire had got punctured when my nephew was there with me and he had changed it, and now that tire has got punctured and I have to do that. So here we go. So now I have to place this jack here. Okay. And it has to be here ना, यहाँ पर जाएगा और ये यहाँ से ऐसे. Okay. So guys, I have to raise it up, and this is the jack handle, है? ऐसे ना? You must be thinking कि नाटक कर रहा है, गाड़ी रखता है but ये ऐसे कर रहा है. But I'm telling you guys, it is my first experience, really. नहीं, ये नीचे. Okay. My dad is helping me. He is saying, okay, wait a minute. Let me just lower it down. यहाँ ना, ये दोनों पे रहना चाहिए.
उठा लेगा उसको.
Okay. Now I am trying. So I am turning it clockwise. I have raised the jack. And now this jack will lift the car. This is the way, Dad. ये है ना तरीका. Wait a minute.
ठीक है.
Now it will lift the car up. It's very tough to jack up the car. For me, not for everyone. It is like this. It should be like this. Now I have to turn it clockwise.
उठा लेगा.
Okay.
घबराना नहीं.
I am being little nervous and
ना
I am
कुछ नहीं.
okay. Be patient and do. So guys, as you can see that I just have to turn it clockwise until I find some maybe half or 1 inch gap between the tire and the floor. आधा इंच का गैप भी चलेगा? 1 इंच है थोड़ा. 1 इंच है.
पहले तो नट खोल लो, उसके बाद न तब खुलबे ना करेगा जल्दी.
अच्छा.
हाँ, नट ढीला कर लो, जमीन पर लाग है ना.
Okay. So as my dad is saying that I have to loosen this lug nut. Okay. This is the wrench, and I have to turn it counterclockwise. Oh my God.
वैसे ना होगा. और रिंच को ऐसे लगाओ. ऐसे.
ऐसे.
हाँ. अब नीचे मत दाबो।
Guys, it's very tight. In order to loosen it, I will have to put my body weight on it. Yeah. Not happening.
और सीधा करके लात धके चापना पड़ेगा।
Okay. So guys, I will have to put my full body weight. I will have to come on this. Yeah. Okay.
और थोड़ा थोड़ा ढीला।
Now I have to loosen this one. This one. The same. Either stomp on it or just climb on it. Okay. Guys, the first experience ever. Now this one. Whenever, guys, I have come cameraman, come this side. The thing is that whenever I do something first time and I say that this is my first experience, some viewers think that I'm just telling a lie or something, that how come I don't have experience of changing the tire and all. But this is the fact, guys. मौका ही नहीं मिला कभी. Okay.
चारों ढीला हो गए।
Now this is loosen. Just a minute. Okay. Okay. No, this is still tight. Yeah, Bajrang Bali. Okay.
अब उठाओ।
Fine.
बस हो गया।
Okay. So guys, you can see the gap of I think half-inch gap between the tire and this floor. Okay, I mean ground, what should I say? Yeah. Now I have to loosen it. These are the lug nuts. Okay, I have to take them off. Okay, so fine, all these lug nuts have been taken off. Now I have to pull it out. Okay, wow. So this is my flat tire. Let it be here. And this is the spare tire. And now I have to place this tire there. Okay. So here we go. ऐसी है ना डैड? Okay.
नट।
And now I have to put one lug nut here. And that day I saw my nephew putting it across it. इसके across डाल रहा था ना? Just here. Across from this lug nut. मतलब लाइफ में जिस जिस चीज़ से भागा वो सब करना पड़ गया. हॉस्पिटल के चक्कर कभी लगाया नहीं, इतना लगाना पड़ा. You know, I was a kind of procrastinator.
गाड़ी चलाने के बाद ये सब आना जरूरी है। कहाँ किस समय टायर पंक्चर हो जाए।
I always used to refrain myself from doing this kind of thing, going to hospitals, standing in the queue, and coming here, I had to do all those things what I did not want to do. Well, this is the life. अब इसको मैं नीचे कर दूँ, जैक हटा दूँ
ना, अभी पहले थोड़ा थोड़ा टाइट
और टाइट करो. ऐसे स्ट्रेट है मेरा तो नहीं होगी.
नचा के देख लो।
Come this side. Whether it was good or not. Yeah.
और जैक को अथी करके
So fine guys, thank you very much everybody.